front crew then. I feel the money.
You give me nothing to put down, me not owe you.
You better get crazy around here, you know.
You give me nothing to put down, me not owe you.
Everybody know.
Touchdown.
Shaggy. Who are the water?
Touchdown.
Everybody know.
I feel the money.
Jesus Christ, we're not do that tonight. No. Okay. Yeah, charge up your laptop, right? Are you ready? Let's check. Because, you know, Chuck it I get nice and all that. I love the voice. A long time I come forward and regret. And all these things. But right now, my ladies them there and from one day, them have got through problems. You understand? Some of them have good problem and some of them have bad problem. All the girls will also have vagina good and tight and right, so yeah. Alright, I fool no something this. Are you not talking for the girl? Ladies! The kind of ladies, the kind of confused. All the girls with good pussy, put your right hand up. Right hand up. The girl with problem, put your left hand up. Because some girl have problem them have, you know. Not good about them thing in a style. Because me get know say, and a good punani alone you have, you can wash, cook and clean, you know, to take care of yourself, take care of boy and everything there. Because some girls feel like they're skin out alone in there. Now go work on there, girl. If you have all the money to you, girl. When you independent girl, the bus up black already ready now. Ready now? Good pum pum ready. Hold on. Check it. Some of them are crosses, some of them are scoop on the outside. When the man goes, so you have some crosses, get out there right the way your mother want you to put your gun on the nice spot. You see that one there? I feel like I breathe the rock. Why didn't I use a condom? Crosses, baby, she gave me a son and a man. What the dogs them I said? Now I got baby mother problem. She begged me to put my dick in. Without a boot to a fool. I should have just kept it moving. Yeah. Every day a party. Beer man a party. Always in a mix up with everybody. Give her 10 grand, she take it to her body. When I go school, I call next man in daddy. But I'm my fault, she a strap up. Girl pum pum fat up and she cock up. Me a stop up, now the girl left me bang up. You see, still go right back to the fat pum pum or cock up. You see, oh no, that's why I'm telling you, you see, that's why me I know how fight like this, my girls. Yeah, no more, yeah, no more go on with something on there right now. Talk to me. Couple more smoke, let yeah? Boy, I don't know if I treat you, I know you're gone. Yeah. Boy, no. yes, no stress, say yes.